Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo, where today we'll be covering some ingenious construction workers and their amazing tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Over the last decade, anhydride screens have gained popularity because of their many benefits over traditional screeds. They are economical, easy to use, and non-toxic for humans. This material is truly incredible. It is made by WOLPLAN, which is a renowned screen manufacturer. The worker has to pour it in a balanced amount. The rest is done by the screed, which smooths out the level with minimal effort. It will also act as a thermal insulator for the floor. Rockwool is the world's largest manufacturer of insulation materials. Here they are seen insulating Master Rock NB, which will keep the outside out. It has to bear a very high pressure load, which is made possible by binding it with a compressed nailing device with careful lamination. Each nail is 220 mm long. Rockwool insulation guarantees fire protection, sound insulation, sustainability, and durability. In this clip, a propane heater softens a section of asphalt. Now they are placing a brick template for giving it a shape, like bricks. A compactor is used for this purpose. It is known as the decorative paving process, which is less expensive than other paving techniques as paving can be done on pre-existing asphalt. After shaping it, an expert crew from CS Solution coats it with a water-based epoxy paint, which provides UV protection with minimal coating. This clip is taken from the AUROVILLE Earth Institute of India, showing the assembly line of a mud brick press. With the help of these machines, they are manufacturing and exporting these basic building materials to more than 44 countries. Here, a worker is using an Aurum Press 4000, which is a partially automatic earth block press. It can produce 400 high-quality blocks per hour. Last but not least, we have DOLLE. DOLLE is known as a leading loft ladder and staircase supplier. They are one of the leading brands in designing stylish products that occupy a minimal amount of room space. This man is installing the SFX room light window, which can be adjusted anywhere on the roof. First, a frame needs to be constructed within the room, where the window will then be placed. Next, insulating material and tiles are placed for protection. After satisfactory adjustments and precise measurements, the window is fitted onto the frame. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any thoughts about this video or ideas for future clips, let us know down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we release a new video. We hope to catch you next time.